Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. This is going to be the start of another vlog. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing, but it's Saturday and I figured I might as well vlog whatever I do this weekend. But yeah, I just woke up, if you can't tell. I wanted to wake up and go run, but it's kind of already too late. It's still early, it's 8:30, but it's too hot already to run outside. So I'll probably just wait until the weekday anyway, because like it's the weekend, so I'm gonna just enjoy the weekend. But yeah, I have to like deep clean my apartment though. It is a hot mess. And then I think I'm gonna do my nails. I'll probably film a whole separate nail video because I know you guys been telling me you want to see nail videos as well, so I'll do that. But yeah, I need to clean. It's not gonna be like a cleaning vlog or anything, but I do need to do that. And then I need to go to Target. I always need to go to Target. But these are actually day 3 curls from the very last curly hair video I posted on my channel. Hi, it's voiceover Jolly, and that last statement is a lie because this video is probably 4 weeks old by now. I actually broke my camera, so I'm not gonna have it for the next 2 or 3 weeks. I've just been going through old footage that I've uploaded to my computer. I'm editing it to see if I can pull some videos together so that I don't actually have to take a long break from posting. But I will link the video that I am referencing right now in the cards above. Also put it in the description box so you guys can check that out if you're interested before you go. And I really like that cream that I use. I use this Bondi Boost curl cream. When I first used it, I was feeling skeptical about it just because of the consistency. It was like really thick, so I didn't know how it would work. But I really like it. 100% recommend, not sponsored or anything. I'll leave it linked down below. I actually think I do have a affiliate link, but that's it, which I'll make like 10 cents. I'm just saying, I don't care whether I make money or not. I do recommend the product, and you can also pick it up at Ulta if you want to try it out without purchasing it online. Okay, back to cleaning. This is my bedroom that needs to be cleaned. Then I have over here my makeup stuff that I really need to figure out. I'm thinking of buying some shelves and kind of putting it here so I can do my makeup here. Like this is too much right here. Too much, okay? And then over here I have all these extra products that I don't have space for, and it's really stressing me out how I just have stuff all over the floor and I need to figure out where to put it. But anyway, I'm gonna start cleaning, and then I also need to do my laundry. So okay, I'm back and I just got out the shower. I'm about to redo some skincare using the same stuff I used earlier along with some other things. I literally just went on a whole cleaning spree, scrubbing toilets, scrubbing bathtubs, and now I am getting ready to go out to get breakfast. We just got back from eating and ended up going to Target because I needed to get batteries for this little Instax printer. So if you don't have a Polaroid camera, you can get a printer that will print Polaroids from pictures that you take on your phone. I've literally had this though since like 2016. I do have a Polaroid camera, but I don't know. I just have a lot of pictures that I want to print, so I wanted to get batteries for this. But now I'm trying to figure out how it actually works because I thought it was just through Bluetooth, but I can't connect it to my phone. And this is like a really old version, so there's a new one that I literally just saw at Target, but it's pretty much the same thing. I'm back and I still haven't figured this out. Well, I know that I need to download an app, but I still haven't figured out how to actually print it. But before we do that, I just got this random package in the mail. I have a candy in my mouth, but I think it's actually from Carol's daughter. But the tag or the mailing sticker says L'Oreal, and I think Carol's daughter is owned by L'Oreal, if I'm not mistaken. I knew it. I knew it. I'm so happy. They sent me a gel to foam styler, but the regular one, which I'm really excited to try because I really don't like the scent of the rosewater one, even though I really like the product. This one is the aloe version. They sent me the Wash Day Delight line, so I have the Wash Day Delight Jelly to Cream Conditioner, which is so good. And then their Water to Foam shampoo, which is a really good cleansing shampoo. I don't know why this isn't focusing. There we go. And then I've never tried this, but they also sent their cream serum moisturizer, which is probably like a leave-in conditioner. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, back to the printer. I actually had to download the Instax Share app on my phone, and I downloaded it, and then I just connected all of my photos to the app, and I'm gonna see if I can print one. I actually didn't, oh my god, can't talk. This is what it's like to vlog, okay? This is why I hate vlogging in front of people. So I downloaded the app, and I don't remember using it before, but you can actually edit the photo before you print it out, which is really cool. So I'm gonna try and print out a photo right now. They got different filters. I mean, they don't have like really cool filters, but you can change the brightness, the contrast, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna try and print this. Turn on the printer. Oh, there it goes. The green lights are on. And I'm gonna try and connect to the printer. Boom, got it. It's coming. We are about to go get some ice cream. I feel like every time I turn on the camera, it's like hours later again. But I'm gonna vlog, I promise. Because I keep saying I'm gonna vlog every time I leave the house, and I never do. But I'm gonna vlog. Yeah?
I'll be getting ice cream every day.
You would be?
I will be.
They have really cool ice cream flavors. I usually always get the steam oil, but I think I'm gonna try cappuccino Heath Crunch today. I got cappuccino Heath bar, so it has like the candy pieces from the Heath. What'd you get?
Salted caramel.
She mighty, just let it all hang. Well, she's a queen. How? Like Lady Spark, that's a fact. How?
Is that the Puerto Rico flag?
Put together, everybody knows this is our story.
Right?
Yeah, it is.
Pickle chips?
Yeah, pickle
I love
chips.
pickle chips.
They got some gator tail.
Gator tail. Anyway, we just came to this random restaurant, and wow, perfect timing because my camera's gonna die. It's blinking red.
Oh yeah.
There's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so
Yo.
Hi guys, it is the next day and we're about to go on a little picnic. I just got ready. I did these little goddess braids, lazy girl style, because I only did them in the front, and just put my hair up in the back. I'm so sorry because he is so loud. But yeah, I feel super cute today. I'm wearing this Hawaiian print dress. Well, I don't know if it's necessarily Hawaiian print. Floral print. I bought it when I was actually in Hawaii. We literally found these little vendors on the side of the road and stopped and bought like food and little ornaments and knickknacks, and they were selling clothing. So this is super cute. It's like 100 degrees today, so but yeah, I'll see you guys once we get there. Yeah, look, it's sand over here.
Oh, I know.
And you can rent boats, but not today. That's cool.
Visitors, may I have your attention? May I have your attention, please?
Okay, area 3 is okay.
Oh, look at the little ducks over there. There's little ducks over here.
Yeah.
This is so pretty.
Right here, chill.
Oh.